Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Now if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get all my future videos. Give a thumbs up and please drop an awesome comment at the end of this video. Now today we got another good one for you. We are going to be doing barbecue chicken in the air fryer, the new Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. It's super high outside. I'm in Arizona, it's 115 degrees outside. You know, normally I just go out and grill these things, but this air fryer turns out some really good barbecue chicken as well. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, so this is what we're gonna be cooking today. I got some chicken wings. I got 9 whole chicken wings here. As you can see, whole, not winglets, but whole chicken wings. And it's super simple. All we're going to do, I took them out of the pack, just rinsed them off, patted them, you know, as dry as I can get them, and then from there, all we're going to do is go ahead and season these things up. Today, what I'm going to be using is going to be just some generic garlic and parsley. This is a really light garlic because I'm using some other garlic stuff as well. So that, and then we've got the Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub, and we're going to be using that as well. So we're going to go ahead and turn all these things over and get to seasoning. Alright, so we got the bottom seasoned up, looking pretty good actually. That I like that garlic and parsley, that garlic jalapeno rub is awesome. So all we're going to do is flip these over and repeat the process, and then we'll take you to the next step. Okay, so next we just want to get them on the air fryer racks. You know, fit them on there any way that you can. Just, you know, kind of get them uniform, but just get them on there. Super simple, just pop them on. You can actually fit about 6 of these whole things on each one of these. And it has 3 racks. You can actually do probably about 18 of these at one time. Maybe a little more if you want to squeeze them. But anyway, so I got these 4 here and these 5 here, 9 total. So let's go ahead and get them in the air fryer. Okay, so now we're at the air fryer Pro, the new 10-in-1. We're going to open this thing up. Got our first rack here of 5. We're going to put those on the top rack. Got the second one of 4. We're going to put those in the middle rack. Super simple. And we're going to close the door. I'm going to turn this thing on. There we go. We're going to pump it up to 400 degrees. Oh, let me give you a shot of that. So there we go, 400. And actually, we're going to give it 10 minutes, and we will see you in 10 minutes. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. As you can see, it says off. Beep, beep. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got so far. And so far, looking good. Yes. So all we're going to do here is go ahead and rotate them. So the top rack, or actually say the middle rack, is going to go on the top rack, and the top rack will go on the middle rack. In there, and we're going to close this thing back up. We're going to go back on 400 degrees, and we're going to give it 8 minutes this time, and we'll see you in 8 minutes. Alright guys, so that this thing beep tool is off. It was 8 minutes. 8 minutes done. So chicken's looking absolutely amazing, crispy and crunchy. Actually, it's almost done. So on this one, what we're going to do is we're going to give it one more rotation. So, but one last thing is we're actually going to, so that middle one, we're going to give all these 180 degree rotation. So 180 degrees. And we're going to rotate it one more time. So the middle to the top. Get in there, wing. And the other one, it gets 180 degree rotation as well. And that one that was on the top will go right in the middle. We're going to close that thing back up. We are going back on 400 degrees. And this time we are going to give it 6 minutes. And we should be good to go. There's the light. All right, we'll see you in 6 minutes. All right, so that's the last 6 minutes. As you can see, it says off. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright. Oh my gosh. I gotta show you real quick. So these wings are looking absolutely phenomenal. Woo! They're crispy. Woo! Crispy, crispy. Dripping. I'm gonna get you a better pic. Oh, there we go. Oh man, they're looking good. Let's go ahead and sauce these things up. Okay, so we got them all nice and done. They are perfectly good to eat right now. You always want to cook the temperature, not time. They're all 175 to 185 degrees. Anyway, what we're gonna do is go ahead and turn them over. All right, now I'm just gonna barbecue these 5 right here. The other ones, I'm just gonna eat, you know, that jalapeno flavor and all that good stuff. Leave there. So all we're gonna do is use some barbecue sauce. What we're gonna be using is KC Masterpiece. Use any kind of barbecue sauce. A lot of people like Sweet Baby Ray's or something like that, or any barbecue sauce you like. Get a brush and go ahead and get the barbecue sauce all over them. All right, so now we're just going to turn them back over, and same thing, get the barbecue sauce on the other side. All right, so we got them all sauced up, both sides, already looking absolutely amazing. So let's go back to the air fryer. Okay, so we're back at the air fryer. We've got our wings. I'm gonna stick these on the middle rack. Now, if you're gonna barbecue all of them, do the same thing, just rotate after a couple of minutes, but super simple. We're just gonna turn this thing back on, and we're gonna turn it on 400 degrees. I'm gonna set it for 4 minutes. It's not gonna take 4 minutes, but I'm just gonna set it on 4 minutes. Check it every minute to 2 minutes. You want that barbecue sauce to start caramelizing is what you're looking for. It shouldn't take more than a couple minutes. We'll see then. All right, it's been 4 minutes, and I've been looking through the window, and it looks like 4 minutes at 400. Woo, was absolutely perfect. Things still sizzling back here and stuff. Oh yeah. Now if you want to add more barbecue sauce and repeat this process, you can absolutely do that. I think we're good. Let's go ahead and take it to the cutting board and try these babies out. All right, we are finished with the cook, and these things turned out absolutely phenomenal. I mean, they're crispy, good, and let's see if we can get you a nice shot here, but the barbecue sauce all over the place. And you know, I've already gave them a try, but you know, for you guys, got to do, you know, drumsticks, flats. That sauce, excuse me, is amazing. Hold on. All right, just didn't want to get barbecue sauce all over my face and stuff. They're phenomenal. They're absolutely good. Now the barbecue sauce, you know, pick it up if you haven't heard of it or tried it before, but it's pretty good. The KC Masterpiece, private stock. It's a little ripped right here, but it's original. And you can get that at any one of your local grocery stores, Safeways, Fry's, Albertsons, you know, whatever you have in your area. Most likely they're going to carry that. It's a pretty good one. I know, you know, Sweet Baby Ray's and, you know, all the other stuff, but if you haven't tried it, give it a shot. It's pretty dang good. So, yeah, I'm actually going to enjoy the rest of these wings. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.